Hey guys, today I'm going to be fishing with Nick, say hi. And we are going to be fishing a new spot. Don't know what it's called. I'm not going to say it because it might be really good. Never fished here. Looks pretty good so far. Got lots of structure and brush. I'm going to start off with a Texas rig, little trick worm. And I'm going to be using my new Origin A reel. So yeah, let's try to get some fish.
Oh, you think you're really clever? No, you just...
No! Nick! I just lost the tank! Ripped my worm in half! Alright guys, so me and Nick there, we decided that we're going to do a little challenge. We're going to do the biggest fish wins challenge because I just lost like a 4-pounder, which that made me very sad. So, biggest fish wins. Do you think you're going to win? Easy. Oh yeah, too easy. Okay guys, well I apologize for not recording. I literally just said, oh, let's fish some structure, and I pitched it next to that duck over there. Caught this little guy. So I'm in the lead for the biggest fish because this is the only fish we caught. Okay guys, so we just walked like, what was that, like halfway around the lake? And then back. Now we are back to where we started. I only caught one fish, as you guys can see in the video. Lost a tank. Nick, how many fish did you lose?
One.
And then the last one. And on the, what, shaky head?
Yeah, I had a shaky head.
So the fishing wasn't the best today because it's probably really cold. That's probably why. So we're gonna move to the next pond. So see you guys there. Alright guys, well, Nick just caught this solid fish. It's probably like a 2-ouncer, 2.5-ouncer.
Mm-hmm.
Just kidding, it's probably like a 1.5 pounds. Here, let's wait for the big challenge. Alright guys, well he just caught a solid 2-pounder. Let's get the release. Throw him in there, buddy. Nope. Alright guys, so Nick just caught this bass, so let's see if you can see. I mean, it's freaking small. Let me know in the comments if you think this fish should count. Wait, show it up next to the lure, That will make my luck. Bring up my luck. Every time I start recording, I fucking catch it. I fucking told you. As soon as I start recording, guys, I was like, maybe that will bring up my luck. Alright, we're gonna get the big ones. You just gotta get through the small ones. It's not like I just lost a 5-pounder, but solid fish there, guys. Good release. Probably, I mean, I'm just looks like not. Oh, and that's a nice fish too. Oh guys, oh. It might.
No.
Well, how many do I have quantity? I have 4? Oh. It was just short. It was like 160. Yeah, alright, fish. Good release. It's a nice fish though. There he goes. Saying that, and I might just catch them. Give me luck. Oh my god. Oh, that's cast after cast. That's cast after cast. Nice, nice. There he goes. No. Oh, that's a nice one. What the? No, Nick, don't catch it. You just lost a peacock. I don't like you. I don't like you at all. Lose him. Lose him. He's stuck on the bat. He's stuck on the bat. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there, Nick. Nick just. Alright, guys. He just caught this nice little peacock. Let's get a little release on it. Didn't even know there was peacocks in here.
That's 4 for me.
Yeah, it is 4 for you. Now release it. Nice. Oh, I bet there is. And I bet you're gonna catch it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey! Oh my god! It's a giant! I know it's a giant. Nick. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! I just went from sad to the happiest person ever.
Alright. You win quality.
And quantity.
And quantity.
Oh my gosh, guys. That's a giant.
Alright, let's.
Alright, guys, just caught this beast. Oh, that's a tank. Look at that mouth. That's a big fish. Alright, let's get a release. There he goes. Bro, there's like 5 of them right here. I saw that. Oh, I just got hit too. Oh, he hit it. Double up. Oh my god. Fish. Double up. Here, hold down. Look at that, guys. Double up. Here, double release. Awesome. You got a big one. There's like 4 of them over here.
We're not telling anyone.
Oh, I just lost one. Wait, I want to double up.
No!
Oh, I got one. Why didn't you flip him? I just got one. Oh my god. Peacock, guys. Peacock. Guess what happened, guys? Caught a fish. Well, not recording. Because I'm just quite the YouTuber today, guys. I only have 5 hooks. Because one of them got broke off by a giant peacock. Pretty dope, right? Can you like get the? All right, nice fish. There he goes. What? Nice.
Never mind.
I just started recording. Oh, got him. No, it came off. I think he broke my hook. Now I only have 1 hook on the top. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Let it go, let my body go.